working on my video, I got inspired by Doja Cat's photo on Instagram and I wanted to create a colorful look. I'm starting off with eyeshadow primer. This one is from Decay. Then I'm taking a very blue eyeshadow and applying that on my outer corner of my eye. This one is from Morphe and James Charles palette, Unleash Your Inner Artist. Next, I'm buffing a teal green color next to the blue one. I mix colors from the James Charles palette and Bretman Rock's Jungle Rock palette with Wet n Wild. Fuchsia shade from both palettes and blended it out in my inner crease. Here I'm just going back and blending and reapplying the colors. Next, I'm finally adding and blending the orange shade from the Morphe palette in my inner corner. I'm taking some makeup remover to cut my crease. Since I have very small and hooded eyelids, I have to bake my crease and cut it higher than it actually is, so my eyeshadows don't mush together. I'm reapplying that eyeshadow primer and packing on the yellow shade from Morphe. To blend out the yellow, I'm building up that same fuchsia color and blending it out. I'm using this vivid liquid liner from Fenty in the shade Papaya Momma and outline where that half-cut crease is. Here I'm using the Glossier Futuredew serum. I just got this and I'm still trying to test it out. It leaves my skin very dewy and glowy. Next, I'm applying one of my favorite foundations, the Loreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear. It gives me a very natural finish. I'm taking this e.l.f. Primer Infused blush in the shade Always Cheeky onto my cheekbones. This is a Milani highlight in the shade Dayglow, and I'm applying it on my cheekbones and on my nose. Here I'm just finishing up the bottom lash line, and I'm using the ABH Nicole Guerriero highlighting palette. To line my lips, I'm using Stripdown from MAC and applying Dose of Colors on Desi and Katy's lipstick collab in Aftermath. And I'm also adding in a bit of Milani's lipstick in Bahama Biege. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching.